You, Lord, are forgiving and good, abounding in love to all who call to you. Psalm 86 verses 5. Hello, family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Let's make the most cozy drink for the season. We are going to be making today tamarind and ginger drink. It is actually very easy to make and it has very few ingredients, but yet it's going to boost our immune system like no other. It is just so good and refreshing. So please stay tuned and let's make this together. So as already said, it has very few ingredients. Here I have my ginger roots and I also have my tamarind. In Ghana, tamarind is popularly known as samia and it's very popular among the Northerners. They use it in many of their dishes, which is absolutely great, filled with lots of immune boosting properties. And we are going to sweeten this drink with a bit of sugar. You can go ahead and use syrup, honey, brown sugar, any sweetener of choice, or even some agape will do. All right, so to begin with, I like to soak this tamarind for about 20 minutes just so that I can get enough juices out. So this is packed with a lot of antioxidants, which is going to help us fight against all the bacteria and viruses going around this cold season. And it also have some anti-cancer properties, and it also helps and protect your heart and lungs and even a liver. So it is so good. If you are going to the market, chance on it, please grab some. It is very good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and soak it for about 20 minutes before we use it. All right. So we will be blending the ginger. So I like to chop them into manageable sizes just so that it won't overwhelm the blender, of course. And I also love to leave the skin on. You know that the skin of the root of ginger is also very medicinal. So do not leave that well. All that you have to do is wash it well, very well and clean. All right, so this is a very mild version I'm sharing. I've already shared the recipe using some dried peppers and some black peppercorns, a little bit more spicier, but I'm making this for my kids to be able to enjoy as well. Okay, so you may go ahead and add all these ingredients as well. So once everything has been done and diced, I'm going to add it into my blender. So I ended up adding my cloves and I added just 7 pieces. And again, I did not want the drink to be extremely spicy. All right. And about 1.2 liter of water was being added. Please use clean drinkable water for this, and all the way blend it until they are very smooth. All right. So now the ginger and the cloves are well blended together. So it's now time for us to strain all the juices out. It is very advisable to use your cheesecloth or any fine cloth just to make sure that you don't have any form of particles in there. Okay, so I also washed the blender and added a lot more water to just dilute this mixture as well. Now go ahead and squeeze out everything, making sure you have nothing left in that bag. All right. So we are done, and now we're going to now add our tamarind. As you can see, it has been very nice and soft, and all the juices has been released into this marvelous water. So we're going to now strain that part again and add it back to the ginger cloves mixture. All right. Again, please make sure you squeeze it out until you have nothing left in that bag. So right now you go ahead and mix everything together, and I'm telling you, it smells so good. If you do not care for any sweetener, my darlings, you can go ahead and just give it a sip right away, which is so good. But some of us want a little bit of sweetness, so I'm going to go ahead and make a simple syrup using the sugar and a little bit of warm water, just to make sure that we do not have our sugar being settled at the bottom of our bottles once we're done packaging it. Okay, so just like that, very nice and clear, we're going to add it back to our mixture, and oh boy, it tastes so good. Go ahead and mix everything together, and voila, your drink is right on its way. It tastes absolutely delicious and very refreshing. So it's now time to just put it up all in our bottle, and we can go ahead and store it in our fridge and just enjoy it any time of the day. So good and refreshing. So there you have it. Our super immune boosting drink is so ready now. This tamarind and ginger drink is just amazing, and I need you to try. It's best served while chilled, just as you see on your screen. So this is extremely mild because my kids absolutely enjoy it. But if you're an adult, you want it to be a bit more on the hot and spicy side, you may go ahead and dice a bit more of your ginger and add in a bit of peanuts and some cinnamon stick as well. It does take the flavor to the next level. You may also squeeze some lemon in it, and you are going to enjoy this drink to the maximum. All right, thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. I'm really thankful for your love, and please be sure to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. You never know who might be in need of this. This drink is going ahead to kill all our cold and hammatan symptoms. All right, so there you have it. Thank you so very much for watching once again, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.